time for me to learn, y'all. She don't know how to fry no chicken. So, hey, us country folk down here down south, hey, that's all we raised up on. Hey, they all that big back ass want some shit fried. Fried hog maws, fried chicken, fried rabbit, fried raccoon, fried squirrel. I'm talking about you motherfucking name. I done seen it motherfucking deep fried. Alright? So, first, you gotta go to the batter here. And goddamn shit. So you gotta let that shit marinate for 24 hours if you using beer batter. 24 hours. You can cut it down to like 16, but shit, if you do it less than that, your batter will fall off. I'm telling you. I just put simple, I wanna say, like some beer, some hot sauce, some garlic and onion powder, and some paprika. Stir that off in there because I done already seasoned my chicken and stuff like that. Tell about her, I almost killed myself up in here yesterday using one of her seasonings. So, all right, we finna get to the main part. Just letting that grease heat, and after that, we'll be right back to you. Let that grease good and warm. You gotta see, make sure. See that shit? Yeah. Batter a little flimsy, cause shit, beer, you know what I'm saying? I had to unfreeze it, so now, just.
And how do you know when it's done? Does it float to the top? Does it get golden brown?
Just watch.
Do you have to flip it?
Just watch.
How you supposed to know it's done? But how you know you watching for what? I just know how to use the air fryer, so.
So the point is like observation. That's the whole purpose of frying. I mean, you can walk off for a couple minutes, stuff like that, but you can't walk off too far too long. You know what I'm saying?
And what did you say you used for your batter? You said flour, cornstarch, beer. So this avoids the step of having to do the egg wash thing, because that's what I seen.
See how that batter stick? And you know, just falling off on the pieces, all that other stuff. Yeah.